Hello and welcome to BluePrism Advanced Tutorials. In the previous tutorials, we have learned the basic things of BluePrism with version 5. From here onwards, we will learn the advanced concepts of the BluePrism by using 6.10. Before starting the advanced concepts, we'll see what's new in the version 6.10. By using BluePrism software, we can automate the process of routine tasks by using software robots, and these tasks can be performed automatically without any human intervention. These tasks include IT management, sales operation, procurement process, data entry, data extraction, auto generation of reports, customer service operations, etc. With the release of 6.10, we got few features. One is Latin American Spanish translation, Authentication Gateway, Studio improvement, browser extension updates. I will explain you one by one about this. First, we'll see Latin Spanish translation. With the BluePrism 6.10, it supports English, Japanese, simplified Chinese, French, German, and Spanish. That is Latin America with the BluePrism software. Where we can find this feature. If you see on my screen, we are having BluePrism software, which is the robot process automation software with version 6.10.0. Right, you can see over here change language. When you click over here, you will find all the languages which it is going to be supporting by the BluePrism. You can see over here Dutch, English, and after that recently it has been added the Spanish also. That is the Latin America. All right. Along with that, we can find another feature that is Authentication Gateway. If you see over here, we are having the gateways data that you can find gateways over here. Authentication Gateway, it provides the ability for you to extend how your users authenticate in BluePrism. By using, you have chosen identity service provider, that is ISP, such as Azure Active Directory, OneLogin, and Okta, making BluePrism part of your everyday authentication stack. These are the beautiful features which has been provided as part of the version 6.10. Along with that, there are the few additional enhancements which are provided by the BluePrism as part of the latest version. What are they? If you see over here in my studio that we are having objects and process which will make very faster. When you open a process or object, immediately after creation it with a new open process or business object after closing the wizard option, it will be very faster in the studio. And also, you can edit an expression directly on the expression test wizard window, which displays when you click the evaluate expression button in stage. Along with that, it is very easily to select the components referred by an selected process or an object when created a release package. Along with that, if you see the identity which runs the resources are connected to an application server at the startup without having to log into the each of runtime resources. These are all the beautiful features provided for the studio improvements as part of the BluePrism latest version. Along with that, you can see some of the browser extensions. You can find these at the time of installation, where you can find the installation for the different plugins like Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer. All these things you can find the browser extension updates. It is very easily to identify that you are using the correct browser plugin through the closer alignment of the BluePrism versions and browser versions. And also you can see with the previous version, that is 6.9, there are the better performance improvement has been taken as part of the 6.10. I hope you got what's new in the BluePrism latest version as part of this tutorial. Thank you for watching BluePrism tutorials. If you have any queries related to this concept, please post them in the comment section. I will see you in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Have a wonderful day.